I decided to restore my car's headlights this evening under a work light for better visibility. My headlights were lightly foggy, nothing too severe, so I wanted to clear them up before they worsened. Using Meguiar's two-step headlight restoration kit was quick and easy. The whole process took me just 20 minutes and I didn't even need any special tools. Step 1 involved the cleaning pads and solution. I applied a small amount of the cleaner to one pad, scrubbed gently, no hard scrubbing was needed, and then rinsed the pad for reuse later. There's enough in this kit to restore headlights 3 to 4 times, making it a great value. The results were already noticeable, removing light oxidation and grime with ease. Step 2 was the headlight coating. I sprayed a light even layer over the clean surface and it restored a bright crystal clear finish. You don't need to go heavy with the spray, just a thin coat does the job. The clarity is guaranteed to last a year, and while this kit works great for lightly fogged lenses, heavily clouded headlights might need extra attention. Overall, I'm thrilled with the results. My car looks fresher and my headlights are safer for nighttime driving.